Hey, what's up, folks? Jonathan Coates here, and in this video, we're going to be looking at the various stages and steps within your sales funnel. Now, this is the final and last video of our series on how to create a sales funnel with the checkout page, as I'm going to be showing you what to look out for and how to fix any of those broken connections within your sales funnel. So someone's not on the landing page, they put their email in, and all of a sudden they're on the checkout page, or all of a sudden they're on some random bonus page at a later sequence down the line in your autoresponder service. You want to make sure that all of the pages are in the right order, and I'm going to show you how to fix them if they just so happen to be broken. All right. So on my dashboard here for Home Business Blueprint, if we go to optimize funnels, now if you remember on the left hand side where it says funnels, you just click on funnel dashboard and it takes you straight to any funnels that you have set up. Now, this particular funnel is pretty simple. We got a sales page and we got an order summary. So you want to make sure that your site visitors are going in the right steps. So there's only 2 steps involved here, and your site visitor, after completing step 1, is going to go straight to step 2, hopefully. But let's say you added a page, or your particular sales funnel has several steps. You want to make sure that your site visitor is going in the proper flow. So they're going from one step to the next. Or in adding a page, you mess up that flow, or somehow or another, the flow gets messed up. Well, the purpose of this video is to show you how to fix that so that your site visitors are going in the proper steps. So let's go ahead and click on step 1 and edit this step. So we're going to click on edit, and then we're going to scroll down to site builder, which is edit and optimize builder, and allow that to load up. So just a side note, the features that you see in optimize builder when you go under optimize funnels is not the same that you're going to see in the optimized press page builder. So there's like additional features. Some are specifically for optimized funnels. So just a side note there. So for that matter, just keep in mind the pages that you make in optimized funnels, they won't even be in your pages tab. Under pages and then all pages, you won't even see these particular type pages. You have to go in optimize funnels, click on dashboard, and then you'll see them there. So what I've decided to do is go to a more simple sales funnel, something that you can relate more with, something that has a landing page that goes straight to a thank you page. And the reason why is because this is a little bit more advanced. So I've already have it up here. And if we were to go to the landing page here, click on optimize builder, I just want to show you the integration settings and what you click on and how it takes people to the next step. So if you have anything broken. So in the other case, we had a sales page go straight to a checkout page, and that's a little more advanced. I just want to keep it simple. So we're just going to do the landing page straight to the thank you page. So once you get to your landing page here, you're in optimize builder, you click on this entire element here, and then you want to find where it says, clicked on the wrong one. This button here where it says integration options. So you click on that, and then you click on edit integration. And then we're not going to talk about any of these steps right here. I'm going to cover those in a different video, or I've already covered them in a prior video in the series. What we're going to be doing is the next sales funnel step. So I'm just going to pick this up a little bit and then go to the next page here. And then while we're going through this, you can make sure that your T's are crossed and your I's are dotted. But what we're looking for is all the way at the end here where it says next funnel page. So where it says next funnel page is more than likely what yours is going to say on your dashboard. But just in case, if it just so happens to not be there for any reason, which is very rare, and I've never heard of that happening, you can try this option here where it says specific funnel page. And then what will happen is they'll give you a drop down menu here where it'll give you a selection of the different pages that you can choose from and where you want your site visitors to go to. So in this case, this is the landing page. We want them to go to a thank you page right after. So you'll just select the very next step in your sales funnel. So in this case, I'm going to pick the thank you page, and then I'm going to click on the next step, and then it's going to give you a preview of how everything is set up. As you can see here, the opt-in form post action, after they put their email in, it goes to a specific funnel page, and then they require their first name and their email, and then you can just click close from here, and then you can test just to make sure that it goes to the right page. One other thing that I wanted to point out, and this is not something that you would really need to do unless that occasion occurs, I'm just going to show you how to do it, and this is something that you can only do in the optimized builder within optimized funnels. So if you click on optimized builder within, say if you're creating a page or a new post from the WordPress dashboard, and you click on edit with optimized press, you're not going to see this option. The only way you can do this, what I'm getting ready to show you now, is from optimized builder within optimized funnels. So let's just say for any reason you want Let's just say you want this text down here. I'm just going to use this text as an example. But most times, which you'll notice right below the opt-in page, is like it'll say something like, we'll never sell your information to a third party, or we'll never, your information is safe with us. And then it probably has some other blurb where you can, I'm just going to pretend that this is the blurb here. What you can do is, if you say you highlight any one of those words or text, this link option that you have here, again, this is only available in optimized funnel, like the optimized builder here in optimized funnels. Just click on this, and then the right here where it says action and link URL, if you click on that, you can actually make people go to the next funnel page or a specific funnel page. So if they were to click on that, then and you have that set up, it'll take them to the next funnel page. So that's just an option, and I wanted to show you that, just kind of a little bonus there for any need or any time that occasion may occur or come up, and you need to make any type of link on your page go to the next funnel or any type of specific funnel page. And as always, anytime you're in these optimized builders, just make sure that you click save. And then after that, you can go ahead and exit out. So that'll be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Now, this again is the final video of the series on how to create a sales funnel with the checkout page. I might throw in a bonus video, just kind of talk about custom pages and just a little more advanced stuff. I may or may not, or I might just start up a brand new series that kind of goes in more depth and more detail about sales funnels and how to increase conversion rates and optimize and split test and do A/B testing and stuff like that, and how to create newsletters and highly complex and advanced autoresponder sequences that has like several chapters, 3-4 chapters that go on for years, and they're all designed to bring people back to your checkout page. So I'll get into that maybe in the bonus video or create a new series. But with that said, that'll be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed again. And if you see my website in the description, jonathancoates.net, you'll get a plethora of content just like this. So if you enjoyed this video, I highly recommend that you check that out. And I will see you in the next video. See you then.